Hey guys, and welcome back to Get Out and Grill. On this video, we're firing up the Weber kettle. We're going to be using some new products by BBQ Dragon. We're going to be doing some kettle fried chicken, some KFC. So let's get going. So what I got here is some chicken thighs and some chicken legs that we've marinated the night before in some buttermilk, some hot sauce, and we used Frank's Red Hot, and some Cosmo Q Dirty Bird. And we let this marinate overnight, like I said, and this is what we got. For our dredge, I got just some plain old all-purpose flour. We're gonna hit it with some Killer Bee honey rub. This will add some sweetness, and it's also the chipotle, so it's gonna add a nice good kick to it. So we're gonna make sure we get that spice in there really good. So we're gonna add, I don't know, maybe quarter cup. That's a quarter cup. Get those big pieces broken down. You really want to get that flavor in that breading. You know, sometimes you don't add enough spice, and that breading just comes out just plain. So we want to get a good spice in here. All right, we're gonna go wet hand, dry hand method. At least I'm gonna try to. Got some nice big thighs. Get that off to a wire rack. So we got our chicken all breaded up, and you can tell we got a really good seasoning on that because that Cosmo Q spice, you can see it all in that flour. We're gonna let this hang out. Let's go get our kettle fired up. So what I got here is the BBQ Dragon Chimney of Insanity. And I already got my coals somewhat started, and I got this filled up about, you know, halfway with coals. Instructions say do not fill this up all the way. We got our BBQ Dragon blower here, and there is a little insert for this right there, and we'll turn this thing on. And since we're going to be baking this chicken, we want to start out with a nice hot grill. So I'm going to get these coals going with the BBQ Dragon. This will get the charcoal up and going like really quick. We'll add a little bit more charcoal to this. We'll see you in the next step. All right, our coals are going pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and get these right in the middle. I'm gonna get a little bit more briquettes on top. Make sure these are in a geometrical shape here, also known as a pile. We're gonna take our BBQ Dragon. We're gonna get some air on that, and this will get these briquettes going really quick within a matter of minutes. All right, this is looking pretty good. All right, using a pair of gloves, I'm gonna go ahead and carefully add in this little deflector. All right, we're gonna add a little BBQ Dragon grate here. I say little, it's not really little. Little frame here. Get the grate right in there. Check that out, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna get my thermometer probe in there. We wanna get this to 350, 375, somewhere around there. So we have been on for about an hour and 45 minutes. Internal temp got to about 168 to 170. So we're gonna go ahead and get these off. So here we go. Smells incredible. I really get that hot sauce, that Frank's hot sauce that was marinated in the buttermilk. The spice from that Cosmos Killer Bee honey rub really comes through. We got to give this a try. It's got a good coat on it. It's nice. It looks nice and crunchy, but let's bite into this. That's incredible. It's got some good crunch to it. Awesome flavor from that rub and that breading. It tastes like it came off the grill. It doesn't, it's not greasy, although, I'm not gonna kick, fried chicken, like authentic fried chicken, but this is a good alternative. It comes out great. I've never done it this way. The barbecue dragon with that heat deflector did an awesome job of getting that temp up to 375 and holding it without actually really burning the bottom. This is a winner to me. Remember guys, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next run. Thanks for watching.